We are CR Strong. Miss you.
Hey, I miss you guys. But with the sunshine, you can go take a walk. Right, Killy?
Hello everybody, it's Mr. Horak here. I'm in my workspace here at home. Hope you're all being well out there. We will see you as soon as we can. Take care, everybody.
Hi, Sierra Miss students. It's Mrs. Kesty. I wanted to give a shout out to my 7th grade students. I miss you so much, but I know when I see you again, you're going to be the most amazing 8th grade leaders. So please take care, get outside, and I can't wait to see you guys again.
Hi, I miss you. Make sure you do something fun with your family.
Hey, Coon Rapids Middle School, it's Mrs. Ritzma. We sure do miss you. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're getting outside, enjoying some sunshine, maybe reading a book. Can't wait to see you again. Take care.
Mrs. Bauer, knock knock.
Who's there?
Annie.
Annie who?
Anything you can do, I can do better. Mrs. Bean.
What?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Lena.
Lena, who?
Lean a little closer, but not too close because we're in social distancing. And I'll tell you another joke. Coon Rapids Middle School students, laughing relieves physical tension and stress. Be sure to laugh every day. We miss you. Stay healthy, and we'll see you soon.
Hey, Coon Rapids Middle School, it's Miss Belair here. I miss you guys. I hope you're doing well. Remember to wash those hands, and here's a high five.
Hi, Coon Rapids Middle Schoolers. This is Mrs. Simon, and I just wanted to remind you that happiness can be found in the darkest of times if only one remembers to turn on the lights.
Hey, everyone. Keep up the good work. You've got this. We miss you.
Hello, Coon Rapids Middle School. This is Miss Lambert. Big shout out to all of you. Missing you all so very much. I can't wait till we're all back in the building and connecting together in person. Big shout out to my 8th graders. So glad to have had you all for 3 years. Looking forward to seeing all the amazing things you're going to do as you move on to high school. And just hoping you're all getting outside and you're connecting and you're welcome to connect with us. I'd love to hear from you.
Hey Coon Rapids Middle Schoolers, it's Mr. Leeper here. I just wanted to give you a high five and let you know that I miss you. Hopefully we'll see you soon.
Rapids Middle School, it is Miss Johnson here with my girl Fergie. She's not very cooperative, but anyway, hope you are all well. Miss you, miss your laughs, miss your smiles, and I cannot wait to see you again.
Hello, Coon Rapids Middle Schoolers. You guys are doing some amazing work. Keep working hard. Remember that we're here for you, whether you need a talk or you need help on your work. Just let us know. Miss you guys. Stay safe.
Hi, Coon Rapids. I miss you. Remember, during this time, we are one team.
Hi, Coon Rapids Middle School. I miss you. During this time of distance learning, don't forget to get outside, drink lots of water, get good rest, and maybe pick up a new hobby.
Hello, everyone. This is Mrs. Powers. I just wanted to pop in to say that I miss you so very much, my amazing students. I hope you are well, and I hope you have a good book to read.
Hey, CRMS students. It's Miss Deneke, Mrs. Johnson. We miss Duncan, our daily Duncan runs. I come for the donut. I come for the coffee. But more than our Duncan run, we miss you.
Hi, Coon Rapids Middle School. I'm Mrs. Kimball. I hope you're all doing well. You're doing great work. We're so proud of you, and we miss you. Guys, take care.
Hi, students. It's Mr. Kubik. I hope you are all doing well despite our circumstances. Please know that I miss you and I love you dearly. Try to get outside, enjoy the weather, and spend time with loved ones.
Bonjour, Coon Rapids students. It's Wapishki Kizasikwe. During this time, I'd like you to remember that you are strong, you are resilient, and you will persevere. Above all else, Gizhawe Namiku. You are loved.
Hey Coon Rapids, Mr. Hyde here. I miss you all. Just remember, stay strong, dab on the haters, and the floor is lava. Miss you.
If you need someone to